Eventually we'll actually do something productive on here.
We're not doing anything productive at all. We're just trying to figure out how this feels.
I think I have like the least informative YouTube channel ever.
Oh, yeah.
Like, you absolutely will not learn anything on this channel at all. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So this vlog didn't really go as planned because the whole point of it was to show you guys the new Recaro seats. And as you can see, they're already in the Corvette. Long story short, guys, we forgot to put in the seatbelt brackets. By me and we, I mean you. Little garage update for you also. The garage is basically done. I haven't uploaded in like 3 or 4 months. And the reason being is because the weather's too cold. Then we got hit with this coronavirus stuff. So we have a ton of updating to do for you guys.
I love bullshit. It's just because he's lazy.
I mean, I'm a little bit lazy too. But we're going to have new uploads all the time for you. Where have you heard that before?
You upload all the time?
Me uploading all the time. I really want to appreciate Matt for a second because he's wearing the Royal Whip shirt. Was this planned? Did you know I was going to videotape this?
No, I didn't. I just kind of threw on something. I'm like, yeah, this is garage shirt material.
Wow.
I sat in it and everything. I don't know how I don't know, bro. I didn't even do drugs. That's the worst part. I mean, I got this part bolted in.
That's important. We're just missing the part that, you know, that plugs into.
You don't need a seatbelt if you don't wreck. So, don't wreck.
In no way are we condoning not wearing your seatbelt on this YouTube channel, by the way, guys. So, long story short, Matt went ahead and installed these while I was at work. And I got home and I'm like, wow, Matt, like, awesome job. So me and the girlfriend go out and she wears her seatbelt everywhere, guys. Like, even if we're going like right down the road, like she's buckled in basically at all times. So she goes to buckle in and I'm like, oh, there's no seatbelt like clamp. So I hold the text message. I'm like, hey buddy, forgot something. You're just like, crap. But it's all good because we have Matt over here and he's gonna make everything better.
Can I get a Matt's Automotive Repair shout out? There's no website or anything. Just show up at my house and I'll work on your crap.
Guys, go ahead and check out Matt's Automotive Repair. I'm gonna link it down below, except for there's no website.
And just like my Facebook page.
There you go, like his Facebook page. All like 300 people that are gonna see this video.
Maybe it'll blow up.
Probably not. We're at 5,000 subs.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
Holy shit.
It's pretty good, right? All right, guys, so while Matt is trying to figure out, I'm trying to figure out how to open the door, but while Matt is trying to figure out what's going on with the seats, I do want to talk a little bit about these seats. So these are the Recaro Speed Vs. What are you doing?
It's the way they go down.
We're not sure what he's doing. This might have been a mistake. Are you playing with my seat right now?
Yeah, I am.
Anyway, guys, back to the video. So they're much deeper than stock. They do sit about an inch or two lower in like the cockpit just because there's no... Are you okay?
I'd like appreciate some help.
All right, hold on. So anyway, guys, these are the Speed Vs. They sit a little bit lower than stock, about an inch or two. They are much deeper, and there's much more padding here, which keeps you in place. Now, I'm about maybe 5'11", 192 pounds or so, give or take. And they're pretty snug, but I mean, for anybody around my height and size, they fit relatively well.
If you're anything higher than like 6'4", it's a little weird with long legs, but so is like any car. The passenger seat was a little bit more snug though. I mean, but I feel like with any like two-door coupe, it just kind of sucks if you're tall. Yo, hold on, I think I got it. I did get it, I got it. Easy, easy.
No big deal, we're just gonna ruin a pair of $4,000 seats.
$4,000? Why'd you tell me how much these seats cost? You cannot do that, bro. Oh my god, I'm so fucking nervous now.
Yeah, they're like $3,800.
Oh my god, stop, stop. Why did you tell me that? You should not have told me that. I did not want to know how expensive these were. Holy fuck, Chris.
Dude, so one seat is $1,400, and then the brackets are $400, so they're like $3,600. Well, we're missing a few sockets.
A few? Chris, you have nothing on this ring.
Guys, I like to make everything as difficult as I possibly can for everybody working on my stuff.
You're doing a great job with it. Like,
so as you guys may already know, and if you don't know, now you will know, but I'm probably one of the least mechanically inclined people out there for sure. Definitely on YouTube, but at least like out of all my friends. I lucked out because all my friends are really good people and they basically babysit me and or do all the work.
What's this one? Am I just doing all the work for you?
A little bit of both.
All right, let's see.
So while Matt is messing around with the Corvette, I'm going to show you guys the Jeep and give you a little bit of an update. So it's been a while since I shot a video, as you guys know. I'm not sure where I left off, but we did add the rough country front bumper. Now this one's cool because it does come with the light bar up here. I normally run that with that on just because the headlights are so bad. But I mean, it's your regular steel. It's not really coated with much of anything, so I'm probably gonna get that Rhino lined. Another addition were the flat fenders. These are from Barricade. Pretty good quality. I mean, they're steel. But the only thing about it is that it eliminates your inner fender. So what I went ahead and did was sand a bunch of this stuff down and painted it just because it was kind of like that ugly rust color. You guys have seen the bead locks, and then the light bar, that didn't change. Here are the back fenders also. So same thing as the front. Now these are really cheap. I think I only paid like a couple $100 for them. Yeah guys, that's the Jeep so far. I'm gonna do a video on that relatively soon, just as more updates come along. I do have a few other things I want to buy for it. We do have inner fenders coming soon. They're just like a standard metal, something like way more cheap than this. So I'm gonna have my buddy go ahead and Rhino line them, and that's gonna be the next install. Let's get back to the garage and see what Matt's doing. It turns out that you actually have to put the bracket in between and kind of sandwich it in.
Yeah, so
otherwise,
whoever has to deal with this, that's what you have to do. What a nightmare.
It's kind of a dumb design when you think about it.
I think if they thinking like maybe if it's sandwiched in, it has less places to like go, maybe. I don't know.
All right guys, so it is a brand new day. We do have the seats already installed. They're completely finished. Huge shout out to my buddy Matt for basically doing all the work for me. I have taken the car out a little bit after we got them all installed, and guys, these seats are absolutely incredible. It gives you much more of an immersive feeling when you're driving. They're way more supportive, like I said earlier, and I do plan on doing a future video kind of reviewing the drivability of what the car is like with these seats. But with that, we are going to end the video. So if you like what you saw, guys, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.